Hello, welcome back, my creations. How you guys doing today? Today, you guys, we have dirty rice, fried chicken, green beans, prepared by me, your girl, Quee. We're going to say a prayer, get a thumbnail, and dive in. So, like I said, today, we are having dirty rice, fried chicken, green beans, to drink ice cold water, a side of hot sauce, because you know your girl loves spice, and Mike's Hot Honey. Let's get a thumbnail. All right, you guys. Your girl was craving fried chicken. So that's what we having on today's menu. That dirty rice don't it look good, y'all. Nice steaming and hot. Start y'all off with the first bite. Let me see, because that could be a thumbnail too, y'all. So bomb. I ain't made no dirty rice in a minute, y'all. Green beans. Let's get into this chicken, though. Nice golden, crispy fried chicken by Quee. Put us some hot honey on here. We got some hot sauce. Nice and hot. Now see that steam fresh out of the fryer. Yes, y'all. We finally got the Mike's Hot Honey at my local Walmart. That Mike's Hot Honey is 10 out of 10. I should have bought 2 bottles. Comment down below and let me know what you're eating with your girl Queen. This Mike's Honey is fire by itself. We gotta clean our bones. No meat left behind. And yes, I'm looking my fingers. Why? Because they mine and they wet clean. Finger looking good. My girl's hungry today, y'all. First time eating. Your girl Queen been busy today. Get into this ice cold water. Whew. Yeah, look at that dirty rice though. Cause we be vibing. We put her all in this meal. Yes, Lord. Now let's make some honey. So bomb. Next time I run to the grocery store, Walmart or whatever, I'm gonna go get some more of these while they in stock. Nice and hot, fresh. Whew. That was hot. That hot honey, baby. But this Louisiana hit different. Ooh, so bomb. Gotta clean my bone. Yeah, we is full. Taking this last bite for y'all. That definitely hit the spot, y'all. Ooh. Excuse me. All right, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video and my last video and your favorite video. Thank you to my subscribers. Thank you to my day ones. I appreciate each and every one of you all for being here with me through my YouTube journey. You will not be disappointed. Thank you to my new subscribers as well for being here with me through my YouTube journey. You will not be disappointed. Excuse me again. Make sure you all are staying blessed, most importantly safe, and don't forget to check on your loved ones. See you later, my creations.